Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. Today I am here with a very delicious snack recipe, that is sabudana vada. These can be consumed even during fasting. So let's get started. So let's check out the ingredients needed. The basic ingredient is sabudana. Here I have taken 150 grams of sabudana. Wash it nicely in clean water, then soak it for half an hour. After soaking, drain the extra amount of water and close it with a lid and keep it overnight. So next morning we will get this type of texture of sabudana. The grains have become fluffy, yet they are not sticky also. So this is perfect for making sabudana vada. The next ingredient is roasted peanut. I have crushed it partially. It adds to the flavor of our sabudana vada. About 3 tablespoons we have to add in this mixture. The next ingredient needed is 3 boiled potatoes. We have to grate it or smash it and use it in the mixture. About 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, or even you can crush it. About 5 to 6 finely chopped green chilies. Some coriander leaves finely chopped. About 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, and some salt to taste, along with hing or asafoetida. So I have grated the potatoes. Add in the sabudana. Three tablespoons of peanuts, roasted and crushed. Ginger, chopped green chilies, coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, some salt to taste, and about half teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Mix all these ingredients gently. You can even add red chili powder if you like more spice. Mix it thoroughly so that it is converted into a soft dough-like structure. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Close it with a lid. After 10 minutes, apply some oil on your palm and mix this dough thoroughly. You can see the dough is not at all sticky. This is because we have used the right amount of potatoes. Don't use excess potatoes, otherwise the dough will become very sticky. In case the dough becomes sticky, you can add little poha or rice flour into it so that we can bind this into beautiful vadas. Clean your hands before rolling. Take a small portion, press in between the palms. You can apply some oil also on your palm so that the dough doesn't stick on the hands. Continue the process with all the dough. If you are using this snack for fasting purpose, the ingredients which you don't use during fasting, you can skip it. In this way, prepare all the vada and they are ready for frying purpose. Take some oil in a frying pan, let it become hot. Add in our vadas. Keep the flame medium to high. When one side is cooked, flip it to the other side. Once they change golden brown, you can take it out. Repeat the same procedure with remaining vadas. So now our vadas are ready for serving. So just for a change, I have taken cabbage leaf for serving our sabudana vada. they are looking very tempting. The green color and the golden brown color of the sabudana. It's really mouth watering. So just try it out. It's very tasty also. You can serve this sabudana vada with green chutney or red chili sauce or even with tomato ketchup or sauce. So hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So before going, just you listen to the crispiness of our sabudana vada.